Hello students, welcome to the commerce class. Last time we had discussed about equity shares. Now we will move to the next topic, which is preference shares. So what is a preference share? Preference share is also a source of capital for a company. A company can issue preference shares to the market to collect the amount of capital it wants. The preference share is different from equity shares in many ways. Preference shareholder is also a partial owner of the company, and it has two preferential right over the equity shares. So it is called preference share. First thing is that a preference shareholder will get dividend before equity shareholder. So if the amount is not sufficient to pay both the shareholders their dividend, then at first preference shareholders will be paid the dividend. Again, second preference comes in picture when it is the time of winding of the company or repaying the debt of the capital. So in case of preference shareholders, they will be paid first and then the equity shareholders if the company is winding up. If the assets of the company are not enough to pay both the holders, that is equity shareholder and preference shareholder, their repayment for their capital, then preference shareholders will be paid first and then the equity shareholders will be paid if any amount is remaining in hand. So in this way preference share is different from equity shares. Some more things are there, like uh, preference shareholders do not enjoy any voting right, but if the dividend is due for more than 2 years, then they can also vote. And their rate of dividends are also sometimes fixed at a percentage like 12%, 14%, and like this they are paid. So let's see what are the types of preference share. So let's see what are the types of preference shares. So on many bases, these preference shares are divided into different classes. So let's see one by one. First is convertible or non-convertible. So convertible preference share possess some right or option to convert themselves to the equity shares. That is after some time or after the decision made by company, the preference share will be converted into equity shares. However, non-convertible preference shares cannot be converted into equity share at any time. So these are called non-convertible. Second is redeemable or irredeemable. So redeemable preference share are those whose maturity date is announced at the time of issuing the preference share. That means the prices of shares will be refunded to the preference shareholders after a particular period of time as mentioned. So the company will repay the amount of capital provided by preference shareholders, and the preference share will be supposed to be redeemed fully. Again, irredeemable share preference shares are those which does not have any maturity date. So it depends on the uh, preference shareholders that when they will redeem the preference shares. Again, on redeemable preference shares, dividend may vary, and on irredeemable preference share, the dividend are generally fixed. Again, participating and non-participating. In participating preference shares, the shareholders get additional benefits in term of share in extra profit of the company. However, in non-participating preference shares, the holders will get only the amount of dividend on the preference shares. Again, cumulative and non-cumulative. The shares, the preference shares on which the dividend accumulate year by year, those are called cumulative preference shares. Like if in any current year the company is not able to pay the dividends, then that unpaid dividend is accumulated in the account or under the name of the preference shareholders, and they will be paid later on. But in case of non-cumulative preference shares, those dividend which are not paid in the current year are supposed to cease to exist. So these are cumulative and non-cumulative. Again, last type is shares with callable option. That means a company has a right or freedom to recall the preference shares or redeem the preference shares at any moment of time it suits good. So at that time, if preference shares are redeemed, then the shareholders are paid some premium. That means increased price of the shares. So these are called callable options. Basically, these four types you have to study: cumulative, non-cumulative, convertible, non-convertible, redeemable, irredeemable, participating and non-participating preference shares. Only the definitions of all these types should be memorized by you. So we will talk about advantages and disadvantages in the next class. Thanks.